Received this from a company called XMcosy, and it's a 2-pack smart wall light for your home. Now this is my third product I've done with XMcosy, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. It's been over a year since I reviewed their last product, and I could say that the products are still kicking and still looking good. The light fixtures I have now have seen their better days. I am getting with the times. My house, slowly replacing all the fixtures around where it's kind of like smart based, where you can control it all with your phone or a remote, or with Google or Alexa in this case. And there's so many different features you can choose from instead of just having a regular light that you hit the switch on and it's the same dull white light or whatever it is. You're able to control it to whatever mood you want, whatever holiday it is, anything you want, you pretty much do it with this product. As you can see, the display here is kind of like a fluorescent purple or something. But as you can see from your scale, from your whites, you got your bright whites, you got your warm lights, you got your RGB values here, all the colors of the rainbow. Now I'm going to show you what's inside the box. After that, we're going to go outside, we're going to install these bad boys, and then we're going to play with the app and see what it does. Let's go. Oh, okay, so it looks like we're going to open it this way. With your hardware. Instructions. All right, lots to read here, but it does give you a step-by-step on how to install, how to set up your app, and all the features. Voila. Okay. Nice. This is actually a really nice built product here. First impression. Really heavy duty. Not too sure the material here, but it is pretty solid. Not too cheaply done for sure. Yeah, okay, so you got your wires here. And then what I'll do, okay, to give you enough. We'll talk more about this when we get outside. Okay, so this will slide in like this. And then your base will go like this. And you'll pass the wires through there. And we will light the courtyard up, because that's exactly where I'm putting it. In my courtyard. Let's go. With any electrical, you should always cut power to your house. In this case, I'm hitting the switch here that cuts the power off, but if you want to play it safe, hit your breaker, cut the power, and always wear gloves, because you just never know. So as you can tell, as I've shown you before, this fixture is really old. It's been used for a bird perch. You can see all kinds of poop on it. Sun hit it. Anyway, it's time to get rid of it. I'm gonna just do this. I think what I need to do is, and this is, every household's different, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this part out until I'm ready to actually hang the lights. Okay, very good. As you can see, there's 2 threads here. I'm gonna take the plate, gonna pass it through, and then you basically just wanna line it up and wanna keep these east and west. This is where the screws are going to come through for the plate of the new fixture. We have our fixture here. It comes in 3 pieces. Bam. Then you have your plate. Here's your hardware. And if I wanted to do it all right, they give you brand new screws here to use in here. But since my screws aren't too bad, I reused them. Don't reinvent the wheel. They fit in the fixture, or in the plate itself. So that's what I did, but it does come with it. And everything you actually need to mount your light, even if you were running your own electric to a new spot, it has wall anchors, it has it all. In this case, we're reusing one where my old fixture was at, so it makes it fairly easy. As far as the wires go, which I could touch on this when I'm actually putting it together, or splicing them together. So you have, it's pretty much just match up the colors for the most part. You have your, your hot, your neutral, and your ground. So you got your white to white, you have your black to black, and green is your ground in this case, which that's a copper wire. That's your ground. Then I grab this, funnel, feed this through. And there might be other easy ways to do this too, since these things are kind of like curly Sue. This looks universal, looks pretty much the same exact way. Same height, same everything. Okay, here we go. So I got it in, and then there's a little slit right there. You line up the slit for this. Bam. And then if you have a needle nose, in this case I have my pliers, but just kind of grab this and pull it through. So it's not really that hard to do, as long as you have proper tools. I'm actually doing this with the wrong tool, but it still worked. You have your fancy little plate here that you're going to pass through now, through this. Same setup, it has a slit that you're going to line it up with this. All right, slits right there. Slide it in, and then I might need an assistant here because I don't want this thing to be dangling. There's a little play here. See this? There's some fixtures I do get that they don't give you enough play in the wires, so it's like the last fixtures I put up, the wires were like a third of this, right? It was probably like that. You know how hard that was when you're by yourself trying to splice together on a stool, making sure you don't drop this thing. It's dangling. It's such a pain in the butt. So I am happy that this is here, and I'm happy that my wife's here to give me a hand so this thing doesn't have to be hanging when I'm trying to splice it together. Phone. Okay. So they're all on. I'm going to turn the light on really fast so don't move. See if it actually turns on before I put it all together, because the last thing you want to do is put the screws on, tuck it all in, all of a sudden it doesn't work. There it is. That's for pairing. Okay, it's off. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Miessner. Mrs. Miessner, everybody. She didn't want to be on camera, so we just got her hand. Done. XMcosy app. There it is. Add device. I'm going to turn on the light here. Starts blinking. Click add device. Simple. Discover. Yep. Go to connect, which is going to try to get me to tap into my Wi-Fi here. And it's connected. Done. Ready to rock and roll. So right now it's on bright white here. I can easily just change the color to pink maybe, or red. Damn, that is pretty impressive. Blue. I mean, you could change it to any color you want. Now, if I put music on, I'm curious about that. I'm gonna go to music.
Alexa was asking something about her.
Should have added it.
Yeah, she's talking about her.
Did it add it?
Today.
Oh, cool. So Alexa just added the light automatically because they're using it to cook dinner right now for a timer. And I guess me doing this connects to the Alexa. It's really simple to do. That is pretty cool because I've had other things that take a long time and it's a pain in the butt to figure out. Like my Bluetooth oven, right? I still haven't figured that thing out, but supposedly you could control it from your phone and preheat it when you're like driving home from work or something and you want to get your oven ready to go at 450 to cook a frozen pizza. But that thing was a pain. But this, wow, really, really cool. It's like beyond
easy. Like that's awesome. All right, let's get back to this music thing. I don't want to do too much. I'm gonna lose my monetization if I use something known. And you know what? Why am I even doing this now? We want it dark anyways, right? So I'm gonna mess with this a little bit, come back when it's darker, and then we'll play with the light. Because right now it's still light, and I got a hockey game to go to in 15 minutes. So might as well do that, and then I'll check back with you guys.
Be still and know that the Lord is
Amen.
in control.
Amen. Oof.
Be still, my soul. Stand and watch as giants fall. I won't be afraid, for you are here. You silence all my fear.
All right.
I won't be afraid.
We'll wait.
You don't let go.
We'll wait till it gets dark. That's a good song. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Okay, it's dark. Played hockey. We got our butts kicked. And now I'm here to review this in the evening. I have these lights above me just to light me up a little bit. But right off the bat, look how nice they look. Really nice, white, bright, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the app as I control it, as you can see it from afar. And I wanna show you what it's all about. But yes, way better than the fixtures I had. And definitely a lot of light. If I turn off my string lights, see how much light it produces? For the sake of the video, I'm gonna keep the string lights off and just focus right on XMcosy's product. I'm liking the way this is because you can control it's kind of dim, right? So when I walk out the side door here, it's not blinding me. Now on the other hand, I come over here and that one is cranked. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I have that one extra bright because we don't usually come out these double doors here. So when we come out with trash or whatever we do and leaving the house, don't get blinded at that. And then as you walk in, it lights up this whole area. So, loving it. XMcosy. One right here. I'll bring it all the way down. That's one. So, change the warmth. There you go. Got a little too orange to my liking, but we can kind of like a little nice warm light there. Sorry, my fingers are slippery. So there's that. Once again, I just balance it out by eye. Let's do some dazzling there. And then I'm going to come to this one. And I'm gonna do Halloween because it's getting close to Halloween. Now I'm gonna put some music on and see how it works. So let's go with something a little crazy. This app here has so much to offer. You have a schedule. You could have on every night these things come on. So if you get off work, it's dark, you can set a timer where they'll pop on. You could change the settings, what color it is. So maybe morning you want more of a soft light, but then in the evening on a Friday night you want a disco time. Bam, you could have it all different kind of colors and you'd be happy. because it'll set the mood, what you're looking for. I am digging this product. XMcosy, you have not disappointed. The sprinklers have kicked on again, and it seems like they're starting to mist me. So last thing I want is my wife's phone getting wet, since that's what's recording right now. Because I'm using my phone to control these bad boys. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. 2 thumbs up, I love it. See the link in the description if you're interested in these. Check out the link out, you'll have more information to read from. I have some reading to do. I'm looking forward to testing these things out a little more, and I will see you guys in the next video.